Is Azure and AWS security a bigger plus over trying to do Splunk if trying to move to a civilian world? This is a great question. I would include cloud in your tool chest. I'm not. You can still do SOC, but what's happening is what I'm seeing happening is that so many organizations have moved over to either a hybrid cloud, meaning they have on-prem systems, they have systems that are in, classically in a vault somewhere, they have systems on their premises, but they also have a cloud infrastructure, or they're cloud native. They have all their stuff in Azure and at AWS. So many organizations are doing either a hybrid or native. They're touching the cloud, that we as SOC analysts, as cybersecurity people, have to know what tools are container aware, that are scanning containers in an environment, or scanning cloud resources in an environment. And then we have to know what we're looking at when we see a cloud resource versus a hardware resource. I'm not saying don't do SOC. Like, if that's what you want to do, do it. But include in your tool chest either Azure or AWS. AWS has like 30% of the market. Azure has like 20% of the market, something like that. And then Google has like 10% of the market. So a smart move would be either Azure or AWS or both. Just to have that there so that when they ask you a question about, hey, do you have experience with EC2? You can say, well, on my personal time, I know how to spin up a EC2 instance. I've messed around with EC2 instance. Here's what I know about EC2 instances, but no, I don't. We don't currently have that in our environment. You could say something like that, but that's showing that, hey, you have a willingness to learn it. You know something about it, which is already better than most of your competition who's out there trying to get a SOC job. So include it in your tool set. Splunk is still hot. It's fire. So definitely have Splunk in there, but be aware that Splunk has a cloud platform, and Splunk can also pull in AWS and Azure assets, right? So you could actually pull those logs. The question is, how does it pull those logs? What does it use? AWS, I could tell you, uses something called Cloud Trail to pull in the logs from cloud assets. That's the kind of stuff you need to add to your tool chest. Let me see. Got more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the questions. It's pretty crazy. I had so many people on TikTok. I mean, that's amazing.